Hi, I'm Jim Stevens from Softion. In this week's Logistics Insights podcast, some thoughts on warehouse management systems in the cloud. We'll discuss that important topic in just a moment.
This podcast is brought to you by Softion, providing innovative solutions for warehouse management, warehouse execution, and distributed order management. Softion, delivering supply chain success every time.
There is no question warehouse management systems, WMS, were late getting to the cloud versus other types of supply chain software for a variety of reasons. That includes concerns there would be issues with DC processes that require millisecond response times, such as communicating with material handling systems or even heavy label printing. The good news, those concerns appear in general to be far overblown, especially, this is key, if the WMS is architected to maximize cloud response times. We've lately seen about 2/3 of new WMS deployments be cloud-based. Here are a few lessons learned after a large number of cloud WMS deployments. In deploying cloud WMS in environments with material handling automation or technologies such as voice, pick-to-light, and others, robust simulation prior to go-live is almost mandatory to ensure performance meets expectations. Softion has developed a simulation tool that allows us to measure response times for message exchanges between our WMS deployed in the cloud and material handling systems to gauge performance and make adjustments as needed. Next, even when there is an option for so-called multi-tenant deployment, meaning multiple companies running on the same exact WMS software platform, nearly all companies, it turns out, prefer what is called a private cloud implementation. Finally, in some cases, it makes sense to deploy what we call a small local software agent to buffer communications between the WMS and, say, a materials handling system. But frankly, the need to do this is far less common than we initially believed would be the case. There are many benefits from cloud deployment, including speedier deployments for WMS implementations with tight schedules, dramatically reduced need to manage this software internally, software portability, and more. There is simply no question this is where warehouse management systems, as with other types of supply chain software, is headed. So the takeaways. 1. WMS was late to the cloud but is now seeing rapid adoption. 2. Issues with response times are not materializing and can be addressed with a local agent in uncommon cases as needed. And number 3, WMS in the cloud provides many operational and management benefits. Want to learn more? You'll find a white paper on the topic at softion.com under the Resources tab.